at Stevenson Dam. From this afternoon until Monday morning. At 4 p.m. Sunday, the stage was 11.1 feet. Flood stage is 11.0 feet.